Good morning. I am Wendy Emerson, an advanced director with Pampered Chef, and I wanted to introduce you to my really awesome boss this morning because, you know, sometimes we go through life and we have these jobs and we're just like, oh, my boss, I don't want to be late for work, which reminds me, I need to get to work because I don't want to upset my boss. But anyway, so I'd like to introduce you to my boss. Are you ready? Oh, wait, I'm the boss. I am the boss. If you are looking for more of something in your life, more money in your savings account, more money to pay off debt, more money to put towards a house. Maybe you want to take more vacations. Maybe you need more cookware and more kitchen stuff. Maybe you want to make more friends. Whatever your more is, you know, what's your why? Pampered Chef can be that for you. I started just over a year ago only because I think my friends were tired of me having parties and I still wanted to get the products for free because I love them so much. I've been a customer for 20 years. So I decided to sign as a consultant. I got my kit. I spent, I think, $99 plus tax. And I got my box of awesome, as I like to call it. And then I started doing Facebook parties. And one thing led to another, and I promoted to director in 3 months. And then within my first year, promoted to advanced director. And I got to tell you, last year, I made more than $12,000 in commission. All on Facebook, by the way. I do only Facebook parties. I've earned a trip, I earned luggage, and probably a couple $1,000s worth of free product. I now own the entire executive non-stick collection of cookware, which is not an inexpensive venture. So I love this business. I do it on my time when I want to work it. I work as much or as little as I want. And I make great money doing it. So if you have something that you need more of, you know, maybe you just need money for daycare. Maybe you need, your son plays hockey and you need more money for hockey gear. Whatever your more is, I would love to talk to you about that. I am a future executive bound director. I'm in an elite training program right now for future executive directors. And I really would just love to chat with you about this opportunity and what it means and how just one teeny tiny little investment can actually change your life. I love this business. I love the Pampered Chef. I believe in the products. They've been around for over 35 years now. And there's always a great incentive, whatever month you join. And I'd love to talk to you more about that. Oh, and by the way, I have an offer. There's a way you can join for free. So just get in touch with me and let's chat. And if you decide you go to work today and you look at your boss and you're like, I just really don't want to work for this person anymore, then let's get you a new boss and let's make that new boss you. Okay? Talk to you later.